How to log in vCloud Earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into vCloud Earning. Login in vCloud Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit vCloud Earning, type vCloud Earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your phone number and your password. Input the phone number associated with your vCloud Earning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forget your password. And if you are a new user, click on sign up. Click on login. After entering your credential, click on the login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.